Hi, Menno.
Hi guys, thank you for tuning in.
No, lovely to
For
see you
coming,
again.
yes, long not long time ago, but a while ago. Yeah,
So yeah, whenever you're ready, do share your
I'm
slides.
I'm starting my presentation, and I think I'm sharing my screen automatically. So there
We
we
don't
go.
see
I
your
think.
slide. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So again, yeah, I'm going to run you guys through 10 minutes presentation. In this case, adhesive carriers and protection films, ProSafe, which we produce. This is the outline of my presentation. A couple of 2 slides, Kimoto, and then we go straight into the products, some intro, some types, and some applications. This is what Kimoto does. We are a coating company which coats in clean room optical clear products. In this colleagues in the class 100 clean room in Mie. We are founded in 1952, so we are already a long time there. We have 4 main technologies which we promote on the marketplace: light management, diffusion films, hard-coated films like ProSafe, adhesives also like ProSafe, and electric conductive films. The adhesives where the ProSafe range is mainly, where the ProSafe mainly belongs to, exists 60 years. So we have a lot of adhesive experience through the years. This is Kimoto. Roughly, we have $120 million sales, 400 employees, 2 R&D centers, 3 manufacturing locations, 2 in Japan, 1 in America, and a number of certifications, amongst also those the automotive ones, and we are listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. ProSafe adhesive films, as an intro, removable. It consists of removable adhesive films, various adhesive strengths. We have a very consistent adhesive strength through the time. As I mentioned, we produce in clean rooms, so we have a high optical transparency. We coat our products also with a anti-static, which of course is very good for ESD protection. You can remove the products without residue, at least the removable ones, and they can be die cut or laser cut. Mainly applications are carrier and protection films for industrial processing. This is a overview of the adhesive types we have. So these are the acrylic ones, mostly pressure sensitive removables, and with some products behind it if you're interested. The second type is silicone self-wetting. I have a short video about it. Please have a quick look. A urethane, which is actually the same type as a silicone, but it's a silicone-free adhesive, so it will react exactly the same way. It is most of the times used for metal sputtering, vacuum type of applications, or people who don't want to have silicone in their production process, which of course can cause contaminations. Then we have, last but not least, 4 special types of adhesives: high temperature ones, double side carrier ones, a UV release one. So if you UV light that adhesive, then it will lose its adhesion strength, and a baseless carrier adhesive. 2 types of applications: protection on the left side for sensitive surfaces, optical elements and display surfaces, and more the carrier type of applications for thin, stretchable processing materials to give them strength. Very small electric components to line them up for production machines, especially the chip dicing and processing ones. Of course, you will glue them onto a chip before you dice it. Very actual is the micro LED mass transfer process. So also there